Hey everyone, today we're building a powerful custom numeric slicer in Power BI using a parameter. This technique lets users filter by calculated values, like a percentage increase, which a standard slicer can't do. 1. Create the parameter table. The parameter is a table-based object that acts as a control knob for user input. 2. Open the Modeling tab and select New Parameter to launch the wizard. 3. Define settings. Set the data type to numeric for range filtering. 4. Set the minimum, for example 0, and maximum, for example 100, to define the slider bounds. 5. Set the increment, for example 1 or 5, to control the granularity of user selections. 6. Name the parameter. Give it a clear name, such as increase percent range. Power BI automatically creates the parameter table and a slicer visual. Next, build the required DAX measures. You need two measures, one to calculate the metric and one to filter based on the parameter's selected range. First, the percentage increase measure. Create a measure that calculates the percentage change between a current and prior period. Formula, conceptually, is percentage increase equals sales of the current minus sales of the prior divided by sales of the prior. Ensure this measure is formatted as a percentage. Second, the range filter measure. Create a filter measure that returns 1 if the product's percentage increase falls within the user's selected minimum and maximum values from the parameter. Otherwise, it returns 0. Next, apply the filter measure. This step connects the interactive parameter to your visual data. First, add slicer. Drag the increase percent range parameter onto the report canvas. Power BI automatically creates the numeric slicer. Second, apply filter. Drag the range filter measure into the filters pane for the target visual, the page, or the entire report. Finally, test. Now when users adjust the parameter slider, the visual updates instantly, showing only data that meets the selected percentage range. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.